Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in today's video we have a collaboration and it's called the Fall One Pot Meal Collaboration. It's an open invite and that's being hosted by Penny's Lifestyle Living and Tamekia Rosero. Now I decided to go ahead and make a low-carb meal, and this is going to go in the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and put all the ingredients in the pan. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody made for their Fall One Pot Challenge. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, guys, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I so appreciate you. So I would love for you to hit that like button and full watch the video. And also comment below because I would love to hear from you. Remember that I'm going to be listing the ingredients or the things that I used in this recipe down below in the description box. Now what I'm doing is just cutting all of the ingredients that I'm using. So that's going to be some eggplant. I think I had some zucchini handy. I also cut up some onion. We are going to be using some shredded sharp cheese and some shredded mozzarella cheese. And then I normally use the Rayo's spaghetti sauce in the jar, but today the only thing I had handy was this Prego sauce, so we're going to use that. We're using some ricotta cheese also. I hope I'm saying all of this correctly, but you can use and alter these ingredients to your liking. Okay, so after cutting up these vegetables, which is eggplant, zucchini, I think I cut up some onion. We're using cheese. I'm not really thinking we're using anything else. So the twist here is that I'm using the tortilla carb balance, and that is what I'm also going to use in between this layering. So that's going to help keep everything together once we take it out of the oven and let it cool before serving. Now we're not using the white flour tortilla, we're going to be using the spinach tortilla. We are going to be spraying everything down with the non-stick spray. So I'm going to spray the pan and then I'm going to start layering. So all you need to do is watch. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play a little bit of music and then I'm going to see you at the end after building this up. So guys, besides using salt and pepper, use the ingredients that you're happy using. I normally use salt, pepper, garlic, oregano. If I don't have oregano, I use Italian spices, but if not, I use all of those spices. The only thing additional I may add is the crushed red pepper. So now remember, you season to taste. Now in making this dish, I chose not to put any protein in it because nobody wanted protein today. But you can go ahead and put some chicken in here. You can put some sausage in here, any kind of meat of your liking in between these layers. I'm sure would taste so delicious. So now here, we're pretty much done with the layering. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this aluminum sheet with some non-stick spray. We're gonna wrap this up and we're gonna put this in the oven, guys. Now, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? Oh my goodness. Okay, so here I served this a piece, so let's head on over to reveal this. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host, that's Penny and Tamekia, for hosting this collab. I think this dish turned out absolutely delicious, and I didn't even miss the protein in this dish. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.